The Police Officers Union says the 2017 incident mentioned in a lawsuit against HPD and several officers was investigated then, and the officers were all cleared. We were the first to tell you about the lawsuit yesterday. Jen Boniza follows up. Jen?
Joe, the lawsuit was filed by the wife of Police Sergeant Darren Cachola. Eric Seitz is her attorney. He tells me the allegations are separate from Cachola's arrest the same day the lawsuit was filed. The lawsuit raises allegations of conspiracy, gross negligence, abuse, and emotional distress, all related to HPD's handling of an incident between Cachola and his wife in 2017. The lawsuit claims police were called to their home after Cachola strangled his wife. When police arrived, they convinced her not to report it, telling her to write the following statement: "I got into an argument with my husband and I have no injuries. Thank you."
The client, for various reasons, was frightened and reluctant to file a lawsuit, which is why we're filing it on virtually the last day before the statute of limitations runs. But eventually she decided that was something she felt she had to do, and unfortunately then the guy comes and assaults her again.
Shopo says the claim is false.
In that case in specific, a complaint was generated back then, and the officers were investigated, and they were cleared.
Roughly 2 hours after the lawsuit was filed, Cachola was arrested and charged for abuse of a family member. I'm told the charges are for an incident that happened Monday night. His arrest comes 5 years after a video surfaced of Cachola fighting with his then-girlfriend. He was not arrested in that incident. He was fired from HPD, but reinstated after he filed a grievance with the union. I met with HPD Chief Susan Ballard, who tells me Cachola's recent arrest is disappointing.
The officers went out there and they, did what they were supposed to do, and they took the swift action. Once we had the facts of the case that we needed, an arrest was made, and it was immediately conferred with the prosecutors, and he was charged.
She says if he's convicted, the consequences could be severe.
We have to take the look at the facts and circumstances around the whole case, but if it's something that means that the officer can no longer be an officer, then they will be terminated. But I really can't say until the investigation is done.
Seitz tells me he will be revising the lawsuit to include the recent abuse allegations. He also says that his client is seeking monetary compensation with this lawsuit, but they are hoping this case will help change policies regarding abuse of family members by police officers. Joe.